Heliers. We did 8 count tonight. There were no new people in the class except someone who had been doing a little bit before. So if you want to see the 8 count basic and you're in the class tonight, just search back a few weeks, week 3, 4 of our St Heliers classes to find the 8 count basic. So we'll just crack straight into it.
Yep.
Yeah, we did forwards and backs, flip flops, pop lock, and out break, circles. We actually did heaps. So this is what we did. We'll do it side on first.
Yep.
Yep. We did forwards and backs. Flip flop. We talked about forwards and backs again. We talked about ladies just going with your own body. Flip flop. Flip flop. And guys catching the energy. And then we did a guy in front. We also did a girl in front. And then we did a guy in front with a pop lock, 2 hands, in out break. Circle. And then circle and closed as well. Circle and closed. And then from this angle.
Yep, same thing.
Yep, forwards and backs. Oh, we did hesitations. Forwards and backs with hesitations. Or hallelujahs. 2 8 counts. Talked about that at the end to restart the triple step. So we had a flip flop. Back heavier than a check. Yeah. And then we had a guy in front. Remember, push, ladies. Follow, sorry. Push, follow. Equally energy together. Then we had a pop lock. Yeah, there's that. Thanks, sorry, Tash was cooked tonight, so I had to step in as a follow. Thanks to John, awesome class. It's level 1.
Thank you very much, people. So, continuing on with some exercises from last week, a little bit of counterbalance and that. We introduced our follows to some swivels, and guys, we tried to do a little bit more leading on too, which we used a kickball change to do that. So what we did, kind of worked out kind of to a bit like 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on my 1 and 2, I'm just going kick, ball, come together. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and on 7 and 8, our follows are?
7 and 8 follows, you're going 7 and 8. 1, 2, swiveling forward, and we were remembering that as we were doing so, keeping the top half of your body straight and just swiveling the hips for the bottom half of your body, using your core to keep yourself together.
Yeah. And then we did some switches.
Yes.
So our nice little pattern, which we'll just run straight through and then break it down a little bit, goes like this. So we've got 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to break that down a bit for the guys, so after I finish my swing out, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm just going left, my weight's on my right foot, I'm going to go left, right on and 1, and then I'm just going 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I do a little stomp off and 8, ready to lead a swing out or whatever I like. And so just from the other angle so you can see. So I do my swing out first, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, ready to lead into whatever. And for the ladies,
Follows for switches, you were doing it as if you were going to do a swing out, and then there's a pause at the end where the guy leaves you open to do what you'd like to do. So we're going to go into a switch, which is a kick, pull, change, kick, pull, change, kick, pull, change. So if I'm doing it towards you, it'll be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.
yeah. You have other options, ladies, like you can do swivels instead of switches. So if you're not quite sure that it's happening, you could be going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So at this point you don't know that it's going to be switches. And I go, and 1, you've just stepped on 1. You could continue to just keep stepping. 2, 3, 4, and then you can change it to switches if you like, or you could keep doing stepping. So your stepping works equally nicely for this move. That's your swivel stepping. And there's all sorts of things that you can do, guys. When I cross, I'm putting my weight on my front foot mostly. When I open, weight on my back foot mostly. It's kind of, there's maybe for me a little bit of bias on my heel. I'm flat-footed, but there's a little bit more weight on my heel on my front foot, more ball of my foot for my back foot. But you kind of have to play with that, see how it works for you. And there's all sorts of other things you can do, but that's the kind of nice, standard, simple one that I do.